Alright, hi. We're gonna read the the EMD electric diesel locomotive 645E3 turbocharged engine maintenance manual. Written permission to post this manual has been granted by the Electric Motive Division to the Foreign Flags website. And at 7th edition, March 1979, Electric Motive Division, General Motors, L.A. Grange, Illinois. For this manual contains maintenance information for the 8 and 12, 16, 20 cylinder model with a 645E3 diesel engine. The materials describe the basic engine, common extra components. However, they cover to the particular system component does not imply that the equipment is part of the specific order. Illustration generally depict the 16 cylinder model as represented for the location, size, the relative shape of the various components and accessories. Units of the measurement appearing in this manual are shown in the metric unit, the U.S. standard, with the unit conversion table provided with the convert the U.S. standard to the metric unit. Special tools referred to the text shown in many of the illustrations are not supplied with the engine but are available in on order. The file numbers contained with this manual represent the detailed drawing for the construction of the fabricated tooling. The drawings are available at the Electric Motive Service Department. Reference specification lists service equipment are presented with the service data at the end of the most of the section. Clearance dimensional list for the list service data are defined as follows. Luminance are those which the new parts manufacturer's drawing tolerances. Maximum tolerance measurements are provided to the serves as selectment at the time rebuilt with any of the time unexpected maintenance to perform. These service limits should not be exceeded with the engine components, but these limits may be reused with the assurance that they will perform satisfactorily until the next scheduled overhaul. And this is your from 3/4 left front view of a 16 cylinder, and here's your 3/4 right view of the 16 cylinder. Your index engine information will be section 0. Crankcase oil pan will be 1. Crankhead air accessory 2. Piston assembly connection rod 3. Cylinder liner 4. Cylinder power assembly 5. Crankshaft assembly accessory drive gear train 6. Camshaft gear train auxiliary drive and camshaft assembly 7. Air intake exhaust systems 8, lubrication oil system 9, cooling system 10, fuel system 11, 12 governor, 13 protective devices, 14 starting system, and 15 troubleshooting. As we back out, we're going to read from this is your diesel engine. The green shows the scavenging air, the yellow lubricating oil, dotted red exhaust, gray water, and fuel red. So from the bottom right side or the top, we'll start at the elbow, the exhaust water discharge manifold, lifting shackle base, exhaust valve, the rocker arm, exhaust valve bridge with the exhaust valve cylinder spring with the exhaust valve, the cylinder head, the piston, the thrust washer, the piston carrier, the piston pan, the carrier crankcase, the cylinder liner, blade connection rod, oil drain vent, airbox, handhold cover, the piston cooling oil pipe, piston cooling oil manifold, oil pan handhold cover, oil pan, oil level gauge, oil pan sump. And then from the left, going upwards in a clockwise fashion, crankcase, counterweight, crankshaft, main bearing cap, main bearing, air A-frame connection rod, basket, fork connecting rod, main loop, air full manifold, water inlet, jumper, airbox, air inlet port, cylinder head, crab bolt, fuel injector, cylinder test valve, injector rack, injector control shaft, fuel manifold, overspeed trip shaft, inspector rocker arm, camshaft, top deck, cover, exhaust blower, water discharge, and back to the lift of the shackle base. And that was your 645 diesel engine electric motive Corporation, L.A. Grange, LaGrange, Illinois, USA. Alright, table of frequent used information metric covers shows micro inch, foot, yard, mile, 1 ounce, inch, 3/6 and foot, 3 foot cube, quart, gallon, yard, cubed, 1 pound, ton, and kilogram, 1 ounce. Temperature. Basically, you can find this in your middle, like anywhere, and that leaves Alright, now we're gonna cut the tape, and we're gonna go to section 1.